So today we have a cartridge for a Mega Drive that does not work. For you to have a baseline, this is a working game on my Mega Drive. And here you have the mangled cartridge that does not work. Let's test it. And yeah, it's not working. So as you can see, this is tailspin and it is mangled, it was broken, and I need to see what's inside. So let's open it. So this is the game itself. The PCB looks very clean. I don't see any damages at all, no corrosion. We have a cap, another cap. So let's run a few tests and see if we can find something out. So let's start by checking continuity in all of the pins. So they all seem okay. So next step, I think it's cleaning the pins. So to clean the pins, let's use a cotton bud with isopropyl alcohol, as they are very clean. I don't think there will be any dirt to remove from here, but let's see. So yeah, it was still a little dirty, but I don't think that would be a problem. Maybe we change this cap as well to see if that can sort the issue. So to change the cap, let's heat up the solder joints on the other side, and with the solder sucker we remove the solder so we can push the capacitor out. So with the capacitor removed, let's clear the holes and then put our new capacitor in. So job is done. Let's then proceed on to the next step. So let's then try and resolder all the points. So this is basically a reflow on the chip to see if any of the solder joints are cracked. They will get in place so the pin does a good connection. I don't think this will work because I tested all the pins and they were okay. So it's just to take this out of the way. So let's assemble it back. I don't think this will work because this is a Genesis card and some of them are region locked. I have a PAL Mega Drive and I think this is a problem, but let's check and see what happens. So let's then do the test. And we have nothing. So I think this is really a region locked cartridge, and that's the reason why it does not work in the first place. So if you found this video informative, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!